No man can psst off a no girl a Jamaica in peace now. No girl, no man a Jamaica can't talk about psst. My girl, you know hear me talk to you. Psst. Fat body girl. Wagwan. Come here now. Psst. What a way the pum pum look fat in that tight set. My girl, come here. Come here, give me a number. Psst. Sexy. And act like then they lose fucking ear like Pepsi. Good thing. Good things they go on. Big up yourself, Andrew. Even though me can't tell politicians. So, stick. We're gonna get into this video, and this video is actually talking about sexual harassment. Let me fix up myself. Sexual harassment against Jamaican women and how it is unacceptable. Men walk around in Jamaica and talk about pss, 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 act like they lose blood clot here all the time and try to call woman or talk to woman, and that's what they used to call and talk woman. And now it's been taken to the parliament because the sexual advances that they are giving out is unacceptable and also disrespectful to women. So I'm going to read this article for you guys, and I'm going to give you guys my thoughts and opinions. Sick and tired of the catcalls to which women are subjected to, Olivia Babsy-Grange, the minister with the responsibility for gender affairs, has announced that tough sexual harassment laws will be instituted to protect women from unwelcomed advances. It's about time. Some women and men are sexually harassed even walking the street, Grange said in Parliament yesterday. The minister, who did an example of a catcall by uttering psst, said that the sexual harassment is not a simple matter. It is a serious crime, and we're moving to deal with it, Grange said. She told the House of Representatives that the sexual harassment bill has already gone to the Chief Parliamentary Council and some amendments have been made to the Legislation Committee. The amended bill, once approved by the Legislation Committee, will be brought back to the Parliament this legislative year as we seek to protect all women and men from unwanted sexual advances, requests for sexual favors, and crude sexual behaviors that affect quality of life by creating intimidating, hostile, or offensive environment, Grange said. She noted that for a long time, the vulnerable have suffered the most harmful effects of sexual harassment, particularly at the workplace. So, and I can speak on the workplace also because people try me all the time at work. So, all of the men when they are Jamaican, they talk about psst, psst to girl, and my girl, psst, come here now, what about the fat? Come here now, let me get the number. Can actually find a different way of communicating with women now, because we're not about to get locked up 1v1 if the woman want to psst off a report, you know. So just get that through a thick skull. That's no way to approach a female. And most female when I psst off of them at Jamaica, they look upon you and cut them hair, then walk about them business. And then now when them psst after you at Jamaica and you act like, what the fuck, who the fuck psst after? I can't mean they try to talk to with psst. Who the fuck is psst? What the fuck? That don't make no sense. Then call you, hey, dirty girl, they go on like you better than man. Hey, excuse me language, but I saw them talk at Jamaica. Look a bitch, they go on like him better than me. Yeah, go suck your mother. And all sort of same thing. So, if we don't accept that type of behavior or that type of sexual advantage, that's what we get from them. That's the reply we get from them. And honestly, it's about time that somebody does something about this, because this not only give men the ability to sexually harass women, it also gives them an opportunity to degrade women also. And not only degrade women in words, but also in behavior. Because then we psst, and you walk in front of them and they come grab you up and say, my girl, didn't hear me, I talk to you. And that's when it gets physical, and that's when people life are threatened. And if you not turn up there and actually talk to the boy and give him one fake number, give him your real number, block his number afterward, then you're gonna feel like you're in danger. Especially if you walk by yourself and nobody there with you and some boy come grab you up and say, my girl, didn't hear me, I call you. Oh, what happened? You're too good for me and all these things. So it's about time somebody protect a woman. It's about time. And with last year, all the women that was killed in Jamaica, I think some more laws need to be placed on Jamaican women's safety, because ain't no way so much woman fi dead at Jamaica and all know nobody can figure out a who kill all of the woman them and which part them body they and all these things. So honestly, me respect Babsy for this one, yeah. Even though me not like politicians and politics and all these things, I have to give her props for this one, because she's the only person that I've seen stepped up and did something about this particular subject in Jamaica. Not only are you sexually harassed at work, you're sexually harassed when you walk, go shop. You're sexually harassed when you walk, go school. You're sexually harassed when you walk, go park. Yes, like, and it's so common at Jamaica. It's like a bad habit. Everybody do it. From the oldest to the youngest, do it at Jamaica. And quite honestly, if you're in a workplace environment, and somebody say psst off of you and you can't tell them, say my you don't psst off of me, and you can't act like you can't act a particular way to tell the person that their sexual advantage is not wanted or needed here, then them take it as you're being compliant. You actually want to talk to them. You actually want to give them your number. You actually want in something with them. And you're scared that you're going to lose your job if you come out and say, my youth, me no blood clot, want you with the blood clot and leave me alone and all these things. If you act like that in a work environment, you're more than likely going to you're going to lose your job, especially if it's in front of customers or your boss or any of that. You're going to lose your job. And then what you're gonna do? And job hard to find South Jamaica. You can't do anything. So women are always stuck between a rock and a hard place. It's either you take the sexual advantage and keep it pushing, or you act ratchet and you lose your job, or act ratchet and you get into trouble for acting ratchet. Because of the sexual advantage, sexual harassment that you have been putting through at your workplace. They have no respect. They do it anyway. If you do your job, them do it. If they walk on road, them do it. If you then see you in your school uniform, then do it. Because me used to go to Rusty's high school, and they used to do it to me all the time. All the time. Okay? All the time, me in my uniform. Them off of me at Jamaica. Comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think. Tell me if you think the Jamaican government is stepping into a right place. Tell me if you think they're stepping into the right direction as far as protecting women is concerned, because nobody else haven't done anything like this. Nothing like this. And tell me what you guys think. I also want to hear from the men, because I want to always say psst, psst, and tell me what are you guys gonna do, because I have to find some other way to communicate with women and communicate properly, because psst, act like a little blood clot here is not the proper way to communicate with a female that you actually like or you want to have a relationship with. Any good female where psst off of you all look upon you like you're stupid anyway. So comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm up out of here, man. Deuce. Me know no miss me, because me miss me too. I saw.